So that's that. it's lower your ear there. Hot, so hot.
Turn right at the traffic light. In 1.25 miles, keep left to I-40 East. In 3/4 mile, keep left to I-40 East. Keep left to I-40 East. In 4 miles, take exit 85 on the right to Christmasville Road.
Love you, boy. I have a lot of water if you need. Overspeed.
And that's what Charlie was so good at, was building coalitions, and he's absolutely right. Everybody there, with a few exceptions perhaps, was invited by Charlie Kirk himself. So they had a place on that stage. They had a right to say what they wanted to say. We don't tell them what to say. Charlie never told them what to say. And I think ending it with the vice president, it was just like, it felt like the adults are in the room. He's going to sum it up. He's going to tell everybody, hey, settle down. Here's the North Star. Here's where we're going. And I can tell you his speech just resonated so profoundly with so many people, especially the students. Aisha, I can't tell you how many students came up.
In 1.5 miles, take exit 85 on the right to Christmasville Road, then take the first left.
Vance, when it comes to 2028, you're going all in to boost his potential campaign. What does that look like, Andrew?
Overspeed.
Yeah, you know, it's funny. I know I got a lot of headlines, but if anybody was around the or in any way, shape, or form, they knew that Charlie was very close to the vice president and had, you know, basically endorsed him already for months beforehand. So it was no surprise for us. It was no surprise for those who were close to us. And it was a great event to do it at. I mean, it was kind of like just this is being public about what everybody kind of knew was true behind the scenes. And so, yeah, it was. We're all in behind Vice President J.D. Vance. Charlie considered him a generational talent and somebody that can lead this nation forward. We're very happy for the here and now. So we're going to
Take exit 85 on the right.
We're excited to get behind him and the machine.
What's that?
It's huge. I want to get to the other big moment. Nicki Minaj. What a surprise appearance by her. And here she is on
Turn left at the traffic light.
for the future. Watch.
I want to say, I'm proud of you guys. This is a major, to be so young, for you guys that are in college, to be so young and to care this much, this early in your life, it tells us how smart you are, and it tells us that there's hope for our future.
I think this is what Eric has been talking about, right? Like, all the good things are happening from this horrific thing that happened to all of you.
Yeah, I mean, and by the way, there was a lot of talk about the disagreements from some of the people on stage, but everybody in that room felt unity. They felt optimism. I've been inundated with people telling me that this was the best weekend of their lives and that they'll never be the same. And I spoke with Nicki backstage a little bit, and I just, you know, I said, well, you said some truly profound things, and you get the sense from her that she has earned some of those deeper wisdoms through a life of hard lessons and of courage getting through some of life's challenges. It was a surprise for me, genuinely, how much I was moved by the things that she said. I feel like the vice president felt the same, a lot of the staff and the team at Turning Point. So it was a really amazing moment. The kids, again, got so much out of it.
What an event. Andrew, you and the TPUSA family, we know this week is going to be a tough one for you guys. You all have our thoughts and prayers, and Merry Christmas to you. Good to see you.
President Trump backing Nassau County Executive Bruce Blakeman as the Republican candidate for New York governor just days after his rival Lee Stefanik dropped out of the race. We will talk with Blakeman about
In 1 mile, turn right on Holland Lane.
his plans for the Empire State. Plus, the firing pin that killed 7, including a NASCAR driver, all went wrong.
Hi, I'm Sherry Harris of Earth Life Source. Levels of quality water have never been more apparent. That is why families recognize a Life Source whole house system as their essential home appliance. Regular maintenance and no work. We build, install,
In 1/2 mile, turn right on Holland Lane.
They know that they can help you. Last thing you want are election surprises around the holidays, which, by the way, the IRS, Nick Davis will make sure the IRS knows you have representation needed this year before the more aggressive collection actions start up next year. A lot of pretenders out there, but Rush Tax, the real deal, period. 800-258-7050, 800-258-7050.
Turn right on Holland Lane.
If you're still trying to figure out your holiday meal or the perfect holiday gift, steak is the answer. And now, during Omaha Steaks Sizzle All the Way sale, Applebee's is getting $35 off with code Fox News at checkout. Whether you're
In 1/2 mile, turn left on Markwood Lane.
exclusive lineup of USDA certified tender steaks, plus burgers, chicken, pork, seafood, and delectable desserts. And every bite is backed by their 100% guarantee. You can't go wrong serving or gifting Omaha Steaks, America's original butcher since 1917. That's 5 generations and more than a century of beef expertise. Now's the time to save big on gourmet gift and more holiday favorites with Omaha Steaks. Visit omahasteaks.com during their sizzle.
This is not.
Turn left on Markwood Lane.
$5 off. Use promo code Fox News at checkout. Terms apply. See site for details. That's omahasteaks.com. Code Fox News.
Picture this. The power goes out.
You're so silly.
When possible, make a U-turn, then take the first left.
Oh, and it's the middle of winter. It's freezing. Cold air creeping in. Wrapped in blankets, putting the heat kicks back on. Well, not anymore. Meet the new Patriot Power Generator 2200X from 4
You too.
our biggest solar generator ever. Built to keep your essentials running through winter storms, rolling blackouts, ice outages, whatever hits next. It turns on automatically when the power goes out and run a full-size fridge for up to 3 days and arrives with a charge. So you're ready the moment the lights go out. And right now, for the first time ever, you'll get a free 200-watt solar panel. But this limited time launch offer ends December 31st. And once this
Isn't the next?
Your ambition just met its match. Robinhood. It stocks and ETFs, options and futures. They're total all in one platform. Just send it to Robinhood.com/program. All business offers are risk options, futures, and trading risks. Money risk may not suit all investors. Securities on the phone and financial policy. SEC. Futures trading.
Told you.
Turn left on Holland Lane, then take the first left.
NMLS 917024. FDIC.
I must have straight.
Turn left on Markwood Lane.
We are here, boy.
In 400 feet, arrive at 42 Markwood Lane, on the left.
We are here, boy. Come on, we're daddy now. We are here. Start cleaning. Bye guys. Aray. We're gonna clean. We're gonna clean here, guys. The house is full of come on, boy. My son was going to help me clean the house. Oh my God. There's a lot of CDs. Oh, there's another safe here.
Yeah.
My goodness. Look at that, guys. How dirty. Oh, there is a broom. We have broom here anyway. See how dirty is that, guys? This is what we're gonna clean.
When we get down there, it look like a new house.
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, shoot. This is much better. Here. Where's the...
Huh?
Jacob, Mama, stop doing there. That's dirty there. Come on. Here. Which one you gonna first... Come on. Ow. Run. Jesus. How nasty. They forgot to pull the carpet here. There is a water. What is this here? The sweet Sunny?
Huh?
Water switch?
That's the water to the house on and off.
Huh?
Yeah, that's the water to the house. The water's on though.
Okay, I'm going to get all my stuff.
Like outside somewhere. Is there a light out there?
No. Oh, I think so. The other one is...
Is it on?
It's on, but it doesn't show. The one who lived there, guys, was so nasty. Amazing how they can live like that. Carry some of that bucket. Hello, how are you? gonna scrub the wool. Mommy, I'm going to spray and you can scrub the wool. We're gonna start on the other side, on the other room. This is nice. Let's I do this. This is safe. Oh my goodness. It's so nasty here. I forgot if I have mask, Mommy. There's a gloves. Put some gloves now. 2 gloves. I don't know if I have mask. Oh, I have mask here. You want to wear mask? Yes? Okay, bye-bye, guys. So, I just show this one. This is what we're gonna clean. See how nasty is that? When we buy this one, you can't even see. This is a house. It's so nasty. Much better now. They pull everything clean. And this is what it looks. The one who live here, guys, is a dog. Us in. Very dog. Bye-bye.